Jai Hind friends, I am standing in front of you to deliver a lecturate on the topic Indo-Nepal relation. For the better understanding, I divided my topic in three parts. First one is historical relation and introduction, and then the challenges between both the countries, and last my conclusion. Now come to the historical relation and introduction. The relation between Nepal and India are very cordial because of strong regional and cultural ties, and even the relation referred to as the Roti Beti Ka Rishta. There is an open border between both the countries. India share Nepal share border with the five Indian states, which include UP, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and West Bengal. India is the largest trading partner of Nepal and the largest contributor to FDI of Nepal. Nepal dependent on the India for the basic commodities, especially the petrol. And also Nepal act as a buffer zone between the India and the China. Around 4,000 troops of Indian army are here from the Nepal in the Gorkha regiment. Both the countries conducting joint exercise like Surya Kiran, and also both the countries are part of international forums like BIMSTEC, BBIN, and SARC, and etc. Now come to the challenges between both the countries. First one is in the year of 2015, Nepal adopted a new constitution which provide very less right to the ethnic communities like Mihadis community in Bihar, and for that agitation were agitation were raised and public property were destroyed in Nepal, which blocked the area of the border between both the countries. Second is the Kailash Mansarovar Link Road. The road runs along the China border. That is of great importance to Indian military because it will speed up the mobilization of troops and equipments to the sensitive Lipulek Pass. The issue is that the road of 17-kilometer pass through the Nepal territory, so that Nepal claim that it is illegal. Third one is the border issue, as the issue is that the Kalapani region of 400 square kilometer is the issue between both the countries which exist for many years. Now, fourth is the Nepal growing closeness to the China, and last, Nepal anti-India stance, as recently the Nepal claims that criticize that India claims the Nepal territory, and also Nepal PM gives statement that the India is responsible for spread the coronavirus in the Nepal, which is dangerous than the China. Also, they said that Lord Rama was the Nepali, which hurt the sentiment of Indians. Now come to the conclusion. We all know that Nepal is very close relation with India and also a good friend of India. Nepal given anti-India statement, but India acted maturely and also solved the matter through diplomatic talks. And also it offered the Nepal of oil pipelines. And the Nepal give these anti-India statements because of internal crisis in Nepal. So the Nepal PM wants to does not means to eradicate this crisis. So I think that also Nepal helped the India to get permanent seat in the United Nations Security Council. So also Nepal PM declared as the India is the best friend of Nepal, and also the relation were not deteriorated if the third country is coming between both the country. Thank you.